So, as usual, let's first of all update our system. Okay, now we already. Okay, it's fertig. Let's say that it's in German. It's finished. So let's now install the Apple release. Now this is the package for Ansible. Okay, and you start to collect the package. Okay, great. Now we are finished with that. We can just check our CentOS version, Ansible version here. I mean, Ansible, we can check the connection to local, and you put down the host. Yeah, just put down the host, and we'll see. Now let's see Ansible if the host is ping that. You see, we are successful with text is successful on the host, and as you say, ping pong, and the local host is success to discover Ansible. That means our Ansible install. Let's see the version also for Ansible. The version is clear. We have Ansible Core 2 1418, and the configuration file is automatic. It's created, but we will configure that later on. And we have also the version of our Python, which is already here clear for us.